Hello everybody, welcome back. I wanted to show you quickly how to create a reply post. So you saw in the first video how to make your original first discussion video post. And then at the end of the week, you'll go back and listen to your classmates and you will reply to at least one of them. One is required and you're welcome to reply to more. And I think once you get into this, you'll see that it's really interesting to listen to several people and not just one, but hopefully you'll do that. So when you get ready to create your reply post, you're going to see lined up here all the different classmates that have posted videos for the discussion. And you will be able to go in and just click on the picture to listen to those videos. I'm not going to do that in this video because that's pretty self-explanatory. You'll just click on the picture and you'll be able to see their video. At the end of the video, they should ask a question, and that is your initial response for your reply. It gives you a nice, easy way to kind of ease into the reply by answering their question. Sometimes in the instructions, I will ask you to add additional things in your reply post. Other times, it may just be left up to you to create a robust discussion. It is never acceptable to say, hey, great video, and be done, right? That does not bring anything to the discussion. So make sure that you are adding more information to the discussion so that it becomes more robust and that we learn from it. So what you're going to do when you get ready to make your reply videos, you're going to choose one of the videos to reply to. And I want to point out here, if you'll notice in this first video, down here at the very bottom, it's tiny, but there's a little comment bubble and there's a 1 next to it. What that's telling me is that one person has already replied to this video. If we look at the second video, you notice there is no bubble here and no number. So this video has not had any replies. So one of the things that I would like to ask you to do is, as you're choosing who to reply to, try to make sure that everybody gets a reply. Because it's always nice to get a reply to your work. So you'll want people to reply to yours, and you should look and make sure that everybody gets a reply. Sometimes somebody's just has a really great personality or whatever, and people just kind of are drawn to reply to that person. So I just want to make sure that everybody takes a chance and looks at this bubble to try to make sure everybody gets a reply. All right, so when you're ready, you're going to choose the person and then you'll click on it to reply. I'm going to go ahead and choose this one so we can see that it will place the reply. And I can listen to the video. And once I've listened to the whole thing and I have the question at the end, you'll notice over here, and I'm going to move this box out of the way, but down here in the very right corner, you will see a send button, but we don't have anything to send yet. This area is the comments section. So when we post a video reply, the video replies will show up here to the right of the original poster's video. So to make a reply, you're going to come down to the bottom and there's this little tiny camera. And you're going to click that camera and it's going to open the camera for us to make our video reply. You'll notice it's a little different shape this time. You still have all the bells and whistles. You can put the background, you can put a letter, letters, you can put stickers, whatever you want to put on it. You can do all that the same way. And the recording works the same way. You push the button to start, you push the button to stop, and you also submit all the way through. But there is a couple of really picky little details of getting it to attach to that original video that you're applying to. So we're going to work through all those steps now. So I'm going to push the button to create a video. So here's our reply video and blah, 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 blah. And then I'm going to stop. And now, as usual, I'm going to click next. And we can listen to it. And if we're happy with it, we'll move on. If not, we can go back and fix it, or we can edit it, add music, whatever. I'm going to click next. And again, it's going to give us a video, a picture at the front. That one's not too great, but we're going to live with it. So I'm going to click submit. And what you'll see, it's going to render the video just like before, except we don't get fireworks this time. And it's going to show up over here. Now, some students, when they see it over here, they think, I'm done. The problem is you are not done at this point. You'll notice that there's still a button down here that says send. If you don't click that send button, this video is going to disappear. So make sure after you reply that you click this send button. I'm going to click it, and once I click it, you're going to see that now it changes up here, and you can see I could actually watch that reply video from right here. Once you know that you can watch it, you are finished. So make sure that you click the send button and that you are able to watch the video, and that will tell you that you have successfully attached it. All right, so we have now successfully attached our video. I'm going to go back over here at the top little button. It'll take me back to the discussion page. And we should, in a moment, it's going to take it a minute to render, but we should actually see a bubble show up here that will say one comment. It usually takes it a few minutes. But if I go click on this again, you'll see my comment over here. So you can always go back in and double check that your comment is here. I can click it. So it did attach perfectly, and it's all there. I'm going to come back over here. There it is. So there's our reply bubble, and it shows number 1. So both of these now have had one reply. So that's how you make your first discussions. And again, if you get frustrated or you're having trouble or you're just not sure what to do, then please reach out to me on GroupMe or email, and I'll be happy to help you. All right. Have a good day.